Secondly, just a second. Yes. Secondly, though freedom is guaranteed in our constitution, we encounter new interpretation of this time. This is a bit like playing a game. As we play chess or cricket, we learn how to interpret the rules. In the process, we discuss new and broader meaning of the game itself. Similarly, the fundamental rights guaranteed by our constitution are continually being reinterpreted in response to new circumstances. So they are saying, since freedom is there in our constitution, but since time is changing, people is changing, demands are changing, needs are changing, तो जो मीनिंग होता है फ्रीडम का ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो भी चेंज होता है. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट अर्लियर टाइम्स जब लोग स्लेव होते थे तो फ्रीडम का नोशन क्या होगा? फ्रीडम का नोशन होगा कि स्लेवरी इज़ बैड, हर किसी को जीने का अधिकार है. दैट मियर एग्जिस्टेंस वॉज फ्रीडम. ओके, नाउ if we are talking about today's time and we are saying everybody is free, उस फ्रीडम में हम इक्वालिटी की भी बात करते हैं. हम बोलते हैं जितना ज़रूरी फ्रीडम है, द सेम वे इक्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. Both go hand in hand. We cannot just take out equality and say we have freedom. No. Also, when we are talking about freedom, we are talking about life to, right to live. So we just don't say that we should be free from slavery. We also talk about clean environment. We can only live when the environment is clean, when there is less of pollution, when we can breathe properly. So now cleaner environment gets attached to your life to live. क्योंकि आपको जीने का अधिकार है, so आपको एक अच्छी हवा भी चाहिए, आपको fresh air भी चाहिए. So you have the right to clean environment. That is why you will notice that according to government policies, there cannot be any industries within a residential area, so that the environment is clean, so that people can live in a better condition, right? So that is what they are saying. Over the period of time, जो हमारे प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, जो हमारे वैल्यूज़ हैं, उसकी डेफिनेशन चेंज होती है. ओके, एंड दे आर गिविंग यू लाइक एग्जाम्पल्स. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्लेइंग अ गेम, तो आप उसके जो रूल्स हैं फर्स्ट गो में नहीं समझते हो. जितना ज़्यादा आप खेलते हो, वेन एवर यू कम अक्रॉस न्यू डिफ़िकल्टीज और न्यू थिंग्स, you explore the game in a more better way. So similarly, we interpret these rules and principles over the period of time and उसको हम broader meaning देने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay? For example, right to life has been interpreted by court to include the right to livelihood. Okay? The right to information has been granted through a new law. Societies frequently encounter new challenges which generate new interpretations. The fundamental rights guaranteed by our constitutions have been amended, expanded over time through judicial interpretations and government policies which are designed to address new problems. So see, you can even take the example of fundamental rights. Now fundamental rights are so important that उसमें no government can change it, ठीक है. But when we were talking about right to property, so over the period of time we realized that no, this cannot be right to property cannot be a fundamental right, because इससे कुछ लोग privilege हो जाएंगे and other people will at the expense of the dominating group. So after a lot of debate, after a lot of arguments, it was discussed in a courts, in the Supreme Court, we came to a conclusion that okay, this should be just a legal right, it should not be a fundamental right. So that is what is this paragraph is trying to explain you new interpretations. Over the period of time चीज़ों का मीनिंग बदलता है, उसका नोशंस बदलता है. दैट इज़ वाई इट्स इंटरप्रिटेशन चेंज. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी आर डूइंग जुडिशियल इंटरप्रिटेशंस, वी आर मेकिंग अमेंडमेंट्स. हम और ज़्यादा न्यू लॉज को लाने की कोशिश करते हैं, हम जुडिशियल रिव्यू करते हैं. ओके, थर्डली, as our world changes, we may discover new dimensions of freedom as well as new threats to freedom. ओके, दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू. जैसे जैसे हमारा इन्वायरमेंट चेंज होता है, वी टॉक अबाउट फ्रीडम एंड हम फ्रीडम को डिफरेंट वे में इंटरप्रेट करते हैं. एंड उस न्यू फ्रीडम के साथ जो न्यू थ्रेट्स आ रहे हैं उसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं. For instance, global communication technology is making it easy for activities to network with one another across the world for protecting tribal cultures or forests. But it also enables terrorist criminals to network. Moreover, internet commerce is all set to increase in the future. This means that the information we give about ourselves online to buy goods and services must be protected. So even though netizens, that is citizens of the internet, or you can say a member of the community of internet users, especially those who spend large fractions of their life online, okay, so netizens are basically who are more into are spending more time on online things and are using more of or are exploring more of things through internet. Do not like government control. They recognize that some form of regulation is necessary to safeguard individual security and privacy. As a result, questions are raised regarding how much freedom should be given to people using the net. Now see, they are talking about new dimension. Now world is changing, so freedom, everything related to freedom is also changing. See, you will see a lot of Modi government policies which is talking about digitalization, that every village should have access to internet because it is becoming an integral part of life. It is really getting important. So when things are getting important, so it is also part of your freedom, it is also part of your equality. And the more we are getting access फॉर इंटरनेट, हम ज़्यादा कम्युनिकेशन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हम अपने ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स ऑनलाइन, वी आर सेलिंग आवर सर्विसेज प्रोडक्ट्स ऑनलाइन, वी आर गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स, द मोर वी आर गेटिंग प्रोन टू एक्सपोज आवरसेल्व्स. जितनी हम अपने बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बता रहे हैं उतना ही हमें खतरा है हैकिंग से, क्रिमिनल से, टेररिस्ट से, ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, सो नाउ दिस होल क्वेश्चन अराइज that whatever information we are giving about ourselves, it also need to be protected. Okay, when we are talking about protection, so role of government come in. So we want that certain kind of regulation हो, control हो government का, so that individual की security और private के बारे में ध्यान रखा जाए. Then there is whole debate about कितनी freedom मिलनी चाहिए, कितनी freedom नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, how much freedom is good. So everything is debatable. At what level? See, if there is regulation by the government, then we will say that government is intervening into our private lives, like all chats related to your WhatsApp and everything is being monitored, is encrypted through our government policies, so they are having a control over us. So there is a whole question related to how much freedom should be given, at what level government should regulate our private life in order to give us security. Okay, for instance, should they be allowed to send unsolicited emails to strangers? Can you advertise your products in chat rooms? Should government be allowed to read private emails to track down terrorists? How much regulation is justified and who should regulate, government or some private regulators? Political theory has a lot to teach us about possible answers to these questions and is therefore very relevant. Okay, so it is not just leaving you with debates. When we are talking about regulations, when we are talking about whole security issue, regulation issues, so whole questions come in. Now किसको क्या हम email strangers को we can send unasked emails जो वो मांग भी नहीं रहे हैं, और they do not even desire these emails, or when you go to Google, so there are so many advertisement. Even if you are searching any academic results or you are dealing with any academic articles, you will find so many advertisements around books, clothes, shoppings. So are these required? At what level actually गवर्नमेंट को हमारी प्राइवेट ईमेल्स, इंफॉर्मेशन, चैट बॉक्स को पढ़ना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो टेररिज्म, somebody is not involved in terrorist activity. So political theory is one aspect, or the study of this सब्जेक्ट इज़ वन एस्पेक्ट जो हमें डिटेल में इसके बारे में आंसर्स देते हैं, एंड देयरफॉर इट इज़ ऑलवेज रेलिवेंट. ओके.